drives away. Oh, that would be so annoying. That would.
Yeah, but you know what? You got the plate. This guy's filming it.
True.
And even as they drove off, as you're running after the car, you gotta think like, what's the plate? That's what you gotta think right away.
So true. Very good point.
Because as far as I'm concerned here, the guy in the Jeep did nothing wrong. All I see on tape is his car getting smashed up.
Yeah. And he can't do anything either. Like he has to go and file a claim or whatever.
Or chase him down. I mean, I think the Jeep could outrace that minivan. So I think maybe he pulls up to her. Who knows?
Guys gotta do it to this one.
Oh, and that was caught on camera. It's caught on camera.
So he spit in the car?
I think so, yeah.
Well, he spit on the window, I think.
Yeah.
And then he put the window back up and they threw a drink at him. At least the window is up.
Yeah, thank God.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Central. I'm one of your hosts, Jared Bronstein.
I'm Olivia Kozlowski.
And today we're reacting to some road rage incidents, so let's get into it.
Bob! Get the phone in! You stupid! Shut the up, your mama!
That was the best. The ending was the best. See, this is an interesting situation because it's like, you can't get out of the car because then you're holding up, it's like one way each way.
Totally.
So the second one person gets out of the car, you're causing a traffic jam and people are gonna be pissed.
Yeah.
So, that was great though.
So good.
The last guy at the end there, that made the video.
An icon.
I never understood parking lot accidents.
I have my signal on. I haven't even turned it off. I'm
Okay, who's gonna be the better person?
I just want to go home.
I agree with both of you.
That poor Taco Bell employee.
Yeah, she's really just like,
She's like, I do not get paid enough to deal with this.
Literally.
This job would be great if it wasn't for the fucking customer.
Yeah, look at this dude right now, though. Look at this man. Look at this guy right now. Look at him. Look at it. Oh, wait, listen to him. Listen to this man.
Stop tailgating people in the rain!
Listen to him.
You have to get video because it's your criminal act! Bastard!
So I kind of get the guy yelling because I hate when people tailgate me, especially in the rain. It's like, what are you doing?
Totally.
But at the same time, I feel this is also very dangerous.
Absolutely.
In the rain, not looking forward to going inside and yelling at somebody, you know, you're in the rain.
Yeah, look at this dude
so
right now.
upset, and the
He's
other
angry.
guy does not
Look at
care
this guy
at
right
all.
now.
He's angry. He's angry.
Jail. You're going to f***ing jail. Oh my God. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He just, I did nothing to him. Look at this piece of dude, look what he did in my car. Look at this piece of
So
look at you.
unnecessary.
Are you gonna f***ing attack me? Are you gonna attack me?
Oh my gosh. That escalated a lot, especially at the end.
Yeah, I don't keep any weapons in my car, but every now and then I think I should just have a baseball bat and glove, and if I ever get pulled over, and they are like, why do you have a bat in your car? I'll be like, I was playing baseball.
I was playing baseball.
Just because like protection's important. But I've also been like learning how to, like I know how to box, I've been learning like some judo, so like,
That's good.
you know, in a position where
good.
if I ever have to defend myself, I probably could.
Yeah.
Even against a bat. I don't know, probably not.
Dunkin' salted caramel or classic pumpkin.
Oh, he's hitting. He's pushing his car with his truck.
Latte. America runs on Dunkin'. Price participation may vary. Limited time offer.
Wow.
Oh my God. Road.
Holy.
75 WOK.
Oh my God! This is the best thing.
I feel like my reaction is the guy filming. That's something I would do. I'd be like, excited seeing this in person.
Dunkin' salted caramel.
Oh.
Oh, he's hitting.
So
He's
it looks
pushing his
like
car
that
with his
guy
truck.
got out to go and confront the truck guy.
The truck behind him and the truck just kept driving.
He's like, I'm not interested.
Wow. And then that guy just got excited. He's like, oh my God! The best day ever!
He loves it.
Temperament, I'm having a breakdown. I'm having a mental breakdown. You run me over. Nah, you run me over first. You run me over first. Move me, fish.
That is not a good situation.
I'm not really sure because the guy said he was having a mental breakdown.
Yeah. Something's going on. Somebody needs to help that man.
Yeah, I don't know though. I don't know if like, do you know when you're having a mental breakdown?
I don't know. Yeah, I guess, are you like reflective about it?
I feel like you're not, because I've had a breakdown before, and in the moment, I guess I understood what was going on, but you still, like, I didn't have control. I guess you could be aware without having control, which is like even scarier. I don't know.
I don't know. I kind of feel bad for him. Not an excuse to act like that, but I kind of feel bad for him.
No, hopefully you got the help he needs, but that's interesting.
Yeah.
All right, guys, well, that's it for the Road Rage videos. I'm glad I was not in this because I tend to have my fair share of road rage, but I try to, you know, scale it back a little bit. I've been your host, Jared Bronstein.
I've been Olivia Kozlowski.
We got some bloopers you don't want to miss out on, so enjoy. We'll see you soon. Gotta get the wings out, you know?
The wings.
She's known me for like 3 days and she already hates me. I've actually, so I don't like to spit very often, but sometimes you gotta spit. And whenever I spit out of my car, I always make sure there's nobody coming, or I'll purposely move up to get, like if I'm stopped in traffic, I'll purposely move up and I'll spit in the area between the two cars. So I'm like, I'm not gonna spit on someone's car, I don't think I'm spitting on their car, but yeah.
You got it down to a science.
It's just like a respect thing. It's like, I'm not gonna just pork a loogie on somebody's car for what?
Of course not, absolutely.
Have some respect on the road here. Although I've yet to do it and hit a biker. Because bikers come quick, man.
They really do.
They come quick. So I could look, spit, and you came out of nowhere. That's not my fault. It is, but. You ever seen the movie The New Guy?
No.
That's an old movie from like 2001.
Oh.
And it's pretty much just, long story short, this guy is like a nerd in school, and he goes to jail, and his like jail mate tells him to do crazy eyes, and it's when he goes like this to your eyes. And then they go like a little whoosh when he does it, and everyone like stops and they look around. It's funny. Anyways.